So, hey guys, I am back with another video. Yes, for those who don't know, my name is Daisy. Welcome to my channel. And those who have been here, hey guys, welcome back and hope you enjoy your stay. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below because that does help my channel grow. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do so by hitting that subscribe button at the bottom. And thank you guys. Thank you for all your support. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video because, I gotta go ahead and let you know what's going on. In today's video, I decided to show you guys me working on my candy bag. Yes, I made a character. Her name is Candy. I wanted to do something extra because if you don't know, you might not know. On my channel, I like to do all kinds of things, unique, cool, crazy type of, art. So I don't know. I wasn't like that. Well, I was like that years ago, and I'm bringing that style back of just doing something extra, something different, because I wanted to, you want to stand out when it comes to your art, and that's how I am right now. I feel like I'm getting more outside the box type of vibes now because I like to do different types of art. I don't want to do the original or the basic things. I like to do stuff outside the box. So you will get to see that a little bit more on my channel because I feel like I'm getting more into creating more and, being more into my creative styling and my creative thinking and just doing more than I usually do. And I'm loving it. It's fun. And I just want to have some fun with my art. And I decided to make a candy bag to go with my candy character because she's more than just a character. She is a brand, which I already stated before. But yeah, she's a brand. And I got to show you guys the beginning, right? So this character, she's a brand, and I said this in my other video that she's a brand, and I wanted to show you guys what kind of brand she is. Now, you're only going to get a little piece of it. little teeny little piece, one story I'm working on, and I had to add her to that. So sooner or later, you'll get it. You'll understand why she's here and what she's about. But right now, it's just the point of me just drawing this candy bag. As you can see, I'm not going to tell you what kind of candy bag this is. I don't know. I just want to have some fun with you guys, and I didn't want to give it like all in this video right here. I just want y'all guys to just guess what the candy could be. Just have some fun. You know, I like to have fun. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so guess what candy is in this bag? Well, will be in this bag. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And if you want to go see more videos of me, I'll put it right here so you can go check this video out. You might like it. And guys, I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.